Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use a pepper mill. This will be a full tutorial for using a pepper grinder just like this one. Let's get right into the video. I'm going to be dividing this video into three simple parts. The first part is filling the pepper mill. The second part is adjusting the grind level of the pepper mill, and the third part is actually using the pepper mill properly and effectively. So let's get right into the video. For the first part, how to fill the pepper mill. Well, if you take a look at the top right here, this is the part that actually turns, okay? And there's a little nut on the top, and if you unscrew this little nut right here and you remove it completely, okay, so I'm unscrewing it and now I'm removing it, I can carefully pull off this top. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to load your peppers into here. Okay, so this is where you load your peppers. You can sort of use your hand as like a little bit of a funnel and put them in here, and be careful not to overfill it. Okay, so when you want to put it back on, you just put this piece back on like that, and you screw down, you tighten in your little silver nut at the top. All right, so that's how to fill it. That's the first part. Now the second part is how to adjust it. So to adjust the grind level of your pepper mill, you want to twist this knob to be tighter or looser. If you want a finer grind, then you're going to tighten the knob up as much as you can tighten it. So if I wanted a really fine grind, I would tighten that knob up as much as I can tighten it. If I wanted a more coarser grind or a larger grind, I would loosen it. And that's going to give you a more coarse grind, okay? So you can see the top is now a little bit loose when I loosen that nut, okay? Now that's the second part, so adjusting it. Now to use it, and I'll give you examples of a more fine grind and a more coarse grind. So to use it, you're gonna hold it up. As you can see right here, I'm holding it up. The pepper, the ground pepper is gonna come out from down here at the bottom, okay? So what you wanna essentially do is twist this upper part, okay? So as you can see right here, I'm twisting this, okay? And right now I have it set to a very loose grind. As you can see, it's quite loose, okay? So you twist it. I'm turning it clockwise. So if you look at it, I'm turning it clockwise. That's grinding the pepper. And if you take a look right there, that's a pretty coarse grind. If I wanted to tighten up the grind and get a more fine grind, I would tighten up this nut almost as tight as I can tighten it, basically. You want to get it quite tight, okay? And then do the same thing. Twist this clockwise. It's going to be a little bit harder to twist. That's because it's grinding it up more finely. So if you take a look right here now, this pepper that I just ground is actually more fine, okay? So if I lift it up and I twist this, you're gonna see the pepper come out of it. If I twist this, as you can see, okay, that's what it looks like. That's it. It's that easy to do. That's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.